At last week's Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas, TV makers pushed 3D as this year's big thing in entertainment. But across town at the Adult Entertainment Expo, the porn industry, usually a leader in adoption of new technology, was a little cooler on 3D. Some adult filmmakers are dabbling in 3D, but most are moving slowly because of the higher production costs, the need for 3D glasses, and a belief that not enough people will buy 3D TV systems this year to justify the cost of making 3D movies.
We're very excited to do 3D production. We don't feel that market penetration has hit the level we need it for the consumer. We're in the home. But I'm hoping that by fourth quarter of this year, it's at the point where we can justify doing a 3D product.
Adult movies are made on much smaller budgets than Hollywood blockbusters, making 3D a bigger gamble for studios. And with 3D, it's the viewer that must invest in technology, not a movie theatre. One company, Bad Girls in 3D, is betting consumers will buy it and is offering a 60-inch 3D TV and PC for $4,000 and a stream of 3D movies for $20 a month.
The adult industry has been an early adopter of 3D home media for decades. In the 1980s, the VHS boom, the satellite TV craze in the 90s, and today's internet. So we believe that 2010 and beyond will be all about 3D.
3D glasses are also seen as an issue. Adult movie makers believe that people don't want to be encumbered by eyewear when viewing their movies.
I think for 3D to really take off, we have to ditch the glasses, and that's what's happening with the TVs that are going to be coming out with the special screens. I think that will really go over well for 3D. It's always kind of been a novelty thing up to this point because everyone always had to wear glasses. Once we get to where you don't have to wear glasses and people have them in their homes, it's going to be a lot more stuff that's shot in 3D.
Many believe that once the technical and cost barriers are broken, 3D will catch on. The sense of voyeurism is heightened by 3D, and people will feel as if they're in the room with the actors and actresses.
I'm very excited about 3D. I think it's awesome. I'm very stoked to see the new 3D films coming out, like James Cameron's Avatar. And I've heard that, you know, with the CGI the way it is nowadays, like you can hardly tell. It's like being there in the film. And I think for adult entertainment and for people watching porn, I think that can be really exciting to actually feel like you're there in the scene with the person.
At the Adult Entertainment Expo in Las Vegas, this is Martin Williams, IDG News Service.